Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by identifying causes and taking immediate gentle actions. First, note any diet shifts, new medications, or tight styles in the last 3 months. These point to reversible loss. Once done, switch to a sulfate-free, low-foam shampoo and reduce frequency to 2-3 times weekly to protect oils. Make sure to add a 5-minute daily scalp massage using a light oil or targeted serum to increase blood flow and reduce shedding. This is the first active step towards stopping hair fall. Now you build internal and topical support. Improve protein intake and correct iron, vitamin D, or B12 deficits. Get 1 or 2 lab tests if loss is significant. Once deficiencies are addressed, apply a targeted treatment like 5% topical minoxidil daily or follow a dermatologist's alternative plan. Consistency matters for months. Meanwhile, make sure to stop high-heat styling and chemical treatments and reduce stress with regular sleep and exercise. This combination sustains regrowth and prevents further shedding. To finish, set a maintenance routine and monitor results. Take monthly photos and simple pull tests to objectively track shedding and regrowth. Patience is essential because visible gains take months. Once you see steady improvement, reduce intervention frequency, but keep scalp care and nutrition. If no change after 4 to 6 months, consult a dermatologist for targeted labs or procedural options like PRP or low-level laser. If things go wrong, continued shedding, push for prescription evaluation and adjust treatments promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.